Hey, this is Brian, the main contributor to the Smart Connections Obsidian plugin, and I'm about to go through the different GitHub issues that I have been unable to respond to. It takes a lot of time to read through the issues and formulate a good response, so I'm hoping that by recording my process, you can see what I'm thinking as I'm coming up with the response, and hopefully that will provide you with more insights on what the future of smart connections look like, and also answer whatever questions it is that you had in the issue itself. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at this next issue, number 17, Feature Request Saving Connections. Would it be possible to add the ability to save or embed this search as a new document or in a document? This could be used to create automated maps of content. So it looks like a useful feature for saving these results would be to have some sort of button or command that automatically inserted the necessary stuff to save. Okay, so what already exists is this dynamic code block. Essentially, if you create a code block labeled Smart Connections, the content within that code block will be used to render the smart view. Let's take a look at that. So, Smart Connections, let's say, I like to use my backstory in a growing up because I have a collection of notes that I've taken on myself, so it's pretty easy for me to see if the results are working as expected. Possibly not the best. Let's see if we add like MySpace. Does that improve anything? Not really. What might be going wrong here? So a similar request to this one is adding links to notes based on Smart View results. And this code block doesn't achieve that. However, there is this new visualizer. So the new visualizer still working out the bugs in the visualizer, but basically, as you can see here, it looks a lot like the Obsidian graph. And this visualizer uses smart connections instead of links and tags like the default Obsidian graph view. So if the reason you want links added to the note is for getting to see these graph views, I recommend downloading the Smart Connections visualizer, and no additional links have to be added, and you can just start seeing the graph view without adding links. But if you're looking for being able to persist a smart view results like this, I'm going to have to look into maybe why these results aren't as good as I would expect them to be. You know, so compared to how the smart chat works, which uses a technique called hypothetical document embedding, which would do something like, my backstory is what starts in my hometown. I worked on some projects and now I'm building smart connections. That's what a hypothetical document. So like if I was saying I want to find notes about my backstory, the smart chat would generate a piece of text like this. And then let's see. There could be some sort of bug in the code block, so I will, for this one, let's add this to incubator. Desired outcome, reviewed smart connections code block for potential bugs. Moving on.